Hello everyone, welcome to Mentor Dada classes. Today our topic of discussion is on the practical based subject, and we will show a metamorphic rock today, and we have to identify the name of the rock as well as we have to identify few textures from this given thin section. So let's see the essential mineralogy of this rock. Now this is under plane polarized light, and right now I am rotating the stage. So these minerals are showing pleochroism. There are many elongated minerals, and as I am rotating the stage, the mineral is changing its color under plane polarized light. So these minerals are pleochroic, and we are getting light yellow to deep green to deep brown color pleochroism, and this mineral is biotite. So if you want to just cross check whether this mineral is biotite or not, let's see under cross polarized XPL. These minerals are I am inserting 10x lens. These brown color minerals are biotite. It is showing light yellow color along A dash direction and deep brown color along PP dash direction. And this is showing under cross polarized light between cross polars. This is showing straight extinction, and sometimes they are showing motile extinction. Some non-pleochroic minerals are also there, which are also elongated. These minerals, some elongated minerals are there, which is not showing any color change as I am rotating the stage. This is very much similar like biotite, except that they are not showing any pleochroism. So this mineral is actually muscovite. Under cross polarizer, they are also showing straight extinction, and they are showing higher order, second order to third order green, blue, and some of them are showing variegated interference color. And the rest of the minerals, that means colorless subhedral grains, are also there, which are showing low relief. These minerals are actually quartz, which are exactly situated at the center. This portion is quartz. Okay. So what the other minerals are there? This mineral is high grade. This mineral is showing high Ri, and it is showing isotropic behavior under cross polars. So this is garnet, and some of the minerals are also there, which are very much like, which are appearing like rules, and showing cross fractures straight extinction. So these minerals are actually sillimanite. So what are the massive textures that are present in this thin section? As the muscovite biotite grains are oriented parallel to each other, so it defines the cystosity. So cystosity is a texture of this thin section. Let's check what are the. This is a massive garnet, and the garnet is showing some inclusions. So garnet is actually behaving like a porphyroblast, whereas the inclusions are there. So the porphyroblast is showing some inclusions, and we can define this texture as poikiloblastic texture. This is another garnet which is showing isotropic behavior, and in plane polarized light very much high Ri. So the name of the rock will be, as the rock is essentially composed of muscovite, biotite, sillimanite and garnet, and we are getting muscovite and biotite in higher quantity, which is also defining the major texture of this rock, and the major texture of this rock is cystosity. So this is a cyst varieties rock. So we can name this rock as garnetiferous muscovite biotite cyst, or we can say garnetiferous sillimanite muscovite biotite cyst.